Alright guys, I believe that in order to achieve a perfect cut crease, your brushes and products have to go hand in hand. I think they're very important for you to have the right tools to create the right looks. So these are the brushes that I'm going to be using today. So if you're ready to see how I achieve my perfect cut creases every single time, let's get into it. How I created these eyebrows, I'm going to have the video linked down below in the description box. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and start priming my eyes with the P.louise Rumor 0.5 eyeshadow base. Guys, I enjoy using this shadow base. It is one of, if not my favorite shadow primer. It makes your eyeshadows pop. I'm going to go ahead and dip into the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. Taking a Morphe M456 brush, loading it up with Certified. And I'm going to go ahead and use Certified to set my brow bone. Next, I'm going to take a Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going to go ahead and load my brush with love handles and start applying that right above my crease. Now I'm just running that back and forth. Light pressure on the brush, just blending that out. Next, I'm going to grab a MAC 217 brush, and I'm going to go ahead and dip this in Comfort Zone. And I'm just going to go ahead and load that brush up with Comfort Zone. Comfort Zone is only going to darken the crease up and give it some dimension. And then I'm just going to go back in with the same brush that I started off with. This one was dipped into love handles. And without dipping back into the palette, I'm just going to go ahead and further blend everything. Blending love handles and Comfort Zone together, making it nice and homogeneous. So the last color that I'm going to be dipping into is going to be shade Crazy. And I'm going to make sure to concentrate Crazy on the outer corners of my eyes. Just make sure that everything is nice and blended out. You can always go back and blend again. Don't forget. And I just want to let you know that your cut crease can be as dramatic or as natural as you like it. It's really your preference. For today, for the sake of the tutorial being easy, I only used 3 different shadows. I think you guys can handle 3 shadows, right? So now getting into the actual cutting of the crease. Are you ready? So the brush that I love, absolutely love for the cutting of the crease is the Morphe 705 brush. So I went ahead and I loaded my brush up with that P.louise Rumor base. And now we're gonna go ahead and cut that crease. Looking down into the mirror and looking at my eyes as how they usually look when they're open. I'm gonna go ahead and just lightly tap right there. Now I'm gonna turn my brush pointing towards the inside and do another light tap. And I like to go ahead and just follow the natural line of your crease to begin with. Just gently tapping, guys. Just like that. Taking that Morphe 573 back and redipping into Love Handle, we're gonna go ahead and blend this line of separation. You want everything to be nice and blended, guys. Nothing too harsh, except the cut crease itself is the only thing that's gonna be harsh in this eye look. So just make sure everything is nice, blended. So now I'm gonna go ahead and dip into I'm in It on my MAC 252 small brush. I'm gonna go ahead and set that cut crease. Cut, making sure that eyeshadow base is nice and set. It's time to add some mascara, guys. Today I'm using the They're Real Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. Time for lashes, guys. So I decided to smoke my bottom waterline, and I'll be using the Milk Makeup Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. Back into the shade Crazy to set my bottom waterline. Alright guys, well that is it for the eyes. I'm going to continue over and finish the face with the blush and some glow. This is my favorite blush. I'll just be applying this to the apples of my cheeks to bring in some kind of rosiness to the face. Can you tell? Now time to add some glow. Today I'll be using the BECCA Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in shade Pearl. I'm just gonna go ahead and load my Morphe M501 brush, which is my ultimately favorite brush to apply highlighter. We're gonna go ahead and apply this to the high points of our face. That would be the cheekbone. Ooh, look at that. pearl comes to slay. And highlight my nose. I'm also going to be applying the pearl highlight on the brow bone just to give that extra pop. And I'll also be applying it to the inside corners of the eye. Guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned at least one thing. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the future beats. Until next time, guys, bye.